just a game to you when I'm in too deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Hey, Drew James here from LandGuitarinLondon.com, and I'm playing the unplugged version of Linger by the Cranberries. Classic acoustic song from the 90s. Lovely little easy arpeggio. To be honest with you, pretty easy throughout. Once you get the rhythm pattern, you're all good. There's only one little cheeky A6 chord that might give you a little bit of jip. So let's get stuck into the lesson. I'll show you the parts that we need. Don't need a capo or anything. Nice and simple. Grab your guitar, let's learn it. The intro is based around a D chord. So if you don't know a D, index finger on fret 2 on the G string, fret 2 on the E string, and fret 3 on the B string. Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. When we do a D, with the plectrum, we generally strum the bottom 4 strings. Though in the unplugged version, he's absolutely hammering the heck out of all the strings, like... I think he's very excited. But generally we strum just the bottom 4, okay? Now with our D chord, we're gonna do what's called an arpeggio, basically just a swanky word for we're going to pick the strings individually rather than strum them. So we're going to start on the G string, the 4th string down, and we're gonna linear go down the strings from the G to the B to the E. So just going down, no funny business. And we do that 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's a little bit quicker than that. But you get the hang of it, right? With your plectrum, you might think, oh, well, I've learned about alternate picking, Drew. Shall I alternate pick? I don't think it's necessary, this one too much, mainly because it's not a lot of strings that we're playing, and I find it easier to keep my accuracy doing it as down picks. But if you prefer, you can go down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Your choice, okay? Then the next part is we keep the D held down and we just lift up that index finger. So leaving fret 2 on the thinner string and fret 3 on the B string, and we're going the same picking pattern 4 times. Couldn't be easier, could it? As long as you can get that D down and without it, yep, then you're absolutely fine. Nice and simple, easy to do. Now they do that, oh, God, I don't know, 100 times at the beginning. I really don't know how many times they do it. So if we call it 4 times on the D and 4 times where you're lifting up off the D, we call that 1. They do it 3.5 times, okay? So I'm not going to do that many, just for the sake of time, right? But you can play along to the record. I'll leave a link to the unplugged version in the video right now, so you can play along to that, because you can easily play along to this. When it gets to the half time, so this will be about to play it for the 4th time, you do the D as normal, then you lift up, you do it twice, and you just, on the 3rd pick of what you're going to do, you just do a little strum to hold it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then into the strumming at that point, okay, when all the strings have done their thing. So the strumming pattern, it's a little improvised throughout what he's doing, but there's a main strumming pattern that we can use throughout the entire piece. And it's something that we're not going to stop doing. We're just going to keep going for it. Okay, so please, I've put the arrows on screen, okay? The little arrows that you see on screen, they are the missing. This is a 16th beat rhythm pattern. Without getting too technical, if you don't honour the little arrows, it's not going to sound rhythmical. It's not going to make sense as a rhythm pattern. So I'll do it really slowly for you. I'm just going to stick with the D chord for now. But once you've got this rhythm pattern, you'll be flying with the entire song. So it's down, miss, 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 down, miss, miss, up, up, down, miss, down, up, down, up. Do it a little faster because it's kind of hard slow. Down, miss, 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 down, miss, miss, up, miss, up, down, miss, down, up, down, up, down, miss, 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 down, miss, miss, up, miss, up, down, miss, down, up, down, up, down, miss, 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 down, miss, miss, up, miss, okay? Take your time, study the arrows, write it out if you need to as well. A little faster because it sounds better faster. Down, miss, 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 down, miss, miss, up, down, miss, down, up, down, up. It gets so quick that I can't even talk to you about the misses, I'm afraid. But they are there. Notice how my hand, if you look on this camera here, you see that my hand is keeping chilled. It's basically just deciding when do I hit and when do I not with the 16th beat pattern. And these are called ghost strums, right? And there's something that help us keep our rhythm, help us keep our time, because we're playing a rhythm instrument. So we've got to make sure that the rhythm is secure. Okay, so ghost strums really important. They're just the same as a regular strum, you're just not hitting the strings. Keep your wrist relaxed, keep these fingers not tense up like this or balled into a fist. It's just going to sound horrid if you're trying to play faster. So now we can get into the chords. If D, if you could return. So there's 2 Ds. So for every chord that I call out, we'll be doing that rhythm pattern twice. Okay, if D, if you could redeem, don't let it burn. So on the word burn, I need to mention this, right? Before the singing starts, there's 2 Ds, 2 As. So that's fret 2 on the D, G and the B string. Okay, so 2 of those. 2 Cs, fret 1 on the B, fret 2 on the D and fret 3 on the A. Strumming the bottom 5. And 2 Gs. For this particular G, the full folk G sounds better. I call it the folk G, but it's basically the G where you use 4 fingers. Index finger on fret 2, middle finger on fret 3 on the E, and finally ring and pinky wedged together on the thinnest strings on fret 3. Strumming all 6 strings, 2 of them. So I did forget that, I was getting too excited, I wanted to get in the singing. So as it finishes, so we've got this. We're then into strumming no vocals. With that rhythm pattern. C, down, up, down, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, G, G, up, and then into D. If you could D, don't let it burn. Now here, you can do an A, that would be fine, but an A6 just adds that little bit of flavour. There's a sort of an F sharp note being played in there. So for the A6, you can bar or press down the bottom 4 strings on the D, G, B and E. So it's basically like your A chord, but including the thinnest string as well. Strum the bottom 5 strings. So A6, let it fade, I'm sure it might be rude. So the C add 9 is next. So a C add 9, classic shiny indie chord from the 90s that gets hammered to death. I think in the 90s, the acoustic artists never let go of the 3rd fret on the B and the E string, to be honest with you. So we're leaving this here on fret 3, like you would a G chord, and just move these fingers down to fret 2 on the D string and fret 3 on the A string. Beautiful chord, brings back a lot of nostalgia. So you've got C add 9, up, down, up, C add 9, changing to G, which couldn't be easier, could it? Because you're just moving the index and the middle finger up to the A and the D string rather than being on the D and the A string, okay? So G, tearing me apart, it's ruining everything. Then that chord progression repeats. D, I swore I would be D, down, up, down. Did A6, A6, you holding C at 9. Is that the way we stand? Were you lying on the G? Was it just a game to you? But I'm into D. And you know what I've just realised? It's the same chord progression now indefinitely throughout the entire song. D for 2, A6 for 2, C add 9 for 2, G for 2. Okay? It just goes round and round and round from there onwards. The song finishes back with the arpeggio where it started. So it finishes on that. And you'd finish on that note there. So So what a lovely, easy, beginner-friendly song once you've got that rhythm pattern. Lovely one to sing. Little high for me on that chorus, but I'm in so deep. But really, really great song to sing, especially if you're a male and you've got a higher voice, it's good. And obviously for female singers, really great choice. Okay, keep on playing. See you again soon for another lesson.